Oh, that's not good. One off. 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 Oh no. Alright. Emergency procedure. We're going to get parts. Okay, I need this size thread. I can unscrew this, or I can unscrew it here. Let me see if I can find the threads that go into this, and then some. I don't have a matching valve for this, but I should have something. I do keep quite an assortment of PVC parts. Alright, let's get this stuff out of the way. Oh, that's cool. Okay, this is the valve I have. It's a smaller one, but I also have a pipe that fits into it. And I have, this is the correct threads. So, geez, I could almost just make a spacer in there, right? I can either make a spacer in there or make something to fit between this and this. All right, let's see what I've got. I had to lathe this down a little bit, and it fits. I've got the glue. And I want to put this in backwards. Half. Okay, that screws in. This fits into there. This fits into there. Then this fits into there. I need to cut this shorter. I don't need a long, but that fits that. All right, just gonna cut a piece of this up. And a nice clean piece of sandpaper here. Make sure everything's all roughed up and cleaned off.
No, stop it.
All right, how long? Oh my God, those numbers are too small. Words are too small, whatever. All right, how long do I have? Spanish, excellent. It says I need 5 to 30 minutes to let this stuff cure. Still need to get some thread seal tape anyway. I never buy thread seal tape. I just use plastic bags. I need to make some sort of thing to shut down the water from the inside of the tank. So I'm gonna sacrifice a zip tie for this. Okay. All right, don't worry.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that is full. Just stay. Alright. We're gonna have to go with that. Close enough. Beautiful. All right, back in business. Let's go clean off the tools. Oh, our shower doesn't fit now though. Yeah, figure out something. All right, next time I go to town, I need to get another one of these. 1-inch threads at the end, and then it doesn't really matter what's after that, just some kind of valve situation parts to make that. All right, I should have had that ready to go. I don't know why I don't have that. I probably have one somewhere. I don't remember where it is.